In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open the Google Chrome profile selector in just a few seconds. This is a simple but very useful trick if you use multiple Chrome profiles for work, school, personal browsing, or separate Google accounts. Being able to quickly switch profiles helps keep your bookmarks, passwords, extensions, and browsing history organized. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see your current profile icon there. This may show a person icon, a photo, or initials depending on how your profile is set up. Go ahead and click that profile icon. When you do, the Chrome profile menu will open. This menu gives you access to your current profile and any other profiles connected to your browser. Now, in that menu, look for the option that says Manage Chrome Profiles. Click on it. As soon as you select that option, the Chrome Profile Selector window will appear. From there, you can view your available profiles, switch to a different one, or manage your Chrome accounts more easily. If you're setting up Chrome for multiple users, this is also the place where you can keep everything separated and organized. And that's it. You now know how to open the Google Chrome profile selector. It only takes a couple of clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful Chrome tips, and I'll see you in the next video.